In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3 emails in one click in the Google Gemini Windows app. If you want quick options to choose from, this method is perfect. We'll keep it simple. Craft one clear instruction, then send it. In moments, Gemini returns 3 drafts in different tones, so you can pick the one that fits your situation and move on. Start in the main prompt box. Your goal is to tell Gemini exactly what you want, including the number of emails and the tone for each one. Type this into the prompt. Write 3 different versions of an email asking the updated schedule with the CEO. The first should be formal and professional, the second friendly and conversational, and the third short and persuasive. This phrasing works because it sets a clear task, defines the topic, and outlines the 3 distinct styles you expect back. Feel free to add brief, non-sensitive context to sharpen the results, like the meeting topic, a preferred time window, or your role, but keep it concise so the model stays focused. If you have constraints, such as a desired length, you can mention them in the same sentence. Read your prompt once more to make sure the ask is unambiguous. You're requesting 3 versions, all about the updated schedule with the CEO, and you've specified the tones. When the instruction is crystal clear, Gemini can format and tailor the wording more effectively, saving you edits later. Now, press Enter. Gemini will generate 3 emails at once, aligned with the tones you requested. Scan them, and notice how each voice shifts. The formal one should be polished, the friendly one warmer and conversational, and the persuasive one brief with a clear call to action. If any draft misses the mark, don't start over. Refine your original line in the same prompt area and press Enter again. Small tweaks, like asking for a more direct subject line or a tighter closing, can instantly improve the output. That's it. Write a precise instruction, then send it. With this approach, you can create 3 tailored emails in a single click, compare styles side by side, and move forward faster with the one that best matches your audience and goal.